Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to make a flight plan in the newest flight simulator that's called Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. I've just got the game, so I thought why not make a tutorial on how to do it. So I'm just gonna, first of all, we've got to run the game and it'll take a minute to load up, and I'll be right with you when it does load up. Okay, so here we are in the flight sim. This video is specially dedicated to the A320. However, I'm sure it'll probably be the same for any plane. So let's create a flight plan. Let's say from. Let's just get the A320 up and running. Edinburgh to Stansted. Quite a nice short flight. Edinburgh down south to Stansted. There we go. Alright, so it will give you this direct route. However, this route isn't really might not really be what you're looking for. So on a flight that I would do, I'll be pressing this button at the top left and go IFR, which is High Altitude Airways. Now, when you might want to zoom into your departure airport and zoom in so you can see the runway, just so the angle of the line isn't messing up, because so as you can see here, it's like you're going to have to take off and then as soon as you leave the runway turn left, which isn't very realistic. So you might want to click on departures, and we're taking off from runway 24, so click on an option with 24 in it. So you've got 3 here, and let's just press that one. See, that would be a realistic departure, and it just makes our departure better. Okay. Then we'll go down to our approaching airport, and we'll just zoom in again like we did before. And look, you can't land an A320 like that, just turning right onto the runway. So you would want to press approach, and since this has ILS, we might want to press ILS 22. 22. And that would take a realistic approach through London into Stansted Airport. Once you have that done, you can press fly, and we'll just wait here for the flight to load up. Also, something I do want to say, if you want to start from the gate in Edinburgh, what you want to do is just zoom into Edinburgh, and zoom in as much as you can, and then you have little dots on the airport, and those dots, you click on one of them, and those will be a ramp, and that'll be a gate, basically, where you can depart from with pushback and taxi. So here we are in the A320, and if I go to the MCDU, we can see that our flight plan, how do I see this, is actually all here. So it includes the wind, and it includes everything you need. So you'll be flying, if you did this flight, at 39,000 feet, which is actually very high. And here are all the waypoints, checkpoints. I'm pretty sure you can input like stuff from separate websites, like info, into this. However, if you're a beginner, or even someone who knows how to play the game and is just wondering, this is how you get to fly from place the place very realistically. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you do want other tutorials, please leave a comment down below, as that will be appreciated. And yeah, see you in the next one.